Welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will solve a product array puzzle. We will be given an array of n integers. Construct a product array prod such that product I is equal to the product of all the elements of array except the element stored at array I. Solve it without division operator and in big O of n time. Let's look at an example. If the input array is this, our output should be this product array. For first element, we have ignored 10 and multiplied all other elements and got 180 as answer. Similarly, for second element, we have ignored 3 and multiplied all other elements and we got 600 this time. Similarly, we found all other products. This is the algorithm we will gonna use. First, construct a temporary array left such that left I contains product of all elements on left of array I excluding array I. Second, construct another temporary array right such that right I contain product of all elements on the right of array I excluding array I. To get product, multiply left and right. Let's look at the code. We will take array and length of array as input. We will make two temporary array left and right as stated. We will initialize product array. Leftmost element of left array is always 1. So we store 1 at 0th index of left array. Similarly, rightmost element of right array is always 1. First, we will construct left array and then right array and then finally product array using left and right array. For the left array, we will run a loop from 1 to n-1. For ith iteration, left I is equal to array I-1 into left I-1. For right array, we run a backward loop from n-2 to 0. Right j will be equal to array j+1 into right j+1. After completion of this loop, we will construct product array just by multiplying left and right. Finally, we will print the constructed product array. The time and space complexity is big O of n and auxiliary space needed is also big O of n. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.